Okay guys, welcome back. Today our first lesson on SAP 2000 and we are going to use it. We are using the 24 version of it. I think this is the last version or not. Not important if you have a lower or higher version. All the things are the same, but maybe have a little differences. Okay, we buy it and now we are going to use it. For this course, I give you something that I prefer you to use some trial, not buying this buying this software. That's not so pricey, and I don't prefer you as a college student or someone new to the job, new engineer in civil engineering, to buy it. Okay, let's go and open our SAP. If you click on this app is gonna open, but it make a time to open. Now it's open. This is the view of the app. You can use it. You can create a new project by here. And also I say SAP 2000 is a huge program and need a good system to run it. Don't forget, if you don't have a good PC, you can run something on the SAP. And when we are creating a huge project, we use the servers to run this project because they are really time consuming. Every time we run analysis in the huge project, maybe it take time over a day sometimes. And sometimes your PC can't calculate the matrices because it don't have enough RAM or enough spaces. For the huge models, you need a server that calculates it for you, but the servers are too expensive. And but if you work for a company or you are a student in a college, you can use their servers. They have servers that SAP installed on them and you can use it for your own. Okay, this is the SAP UI. You can go here by new, and for example, let's create a 3D frame for you just to see. We create all the things by default. If you work with another 3D software like Revit or ETAPS or another one like CAD, you must be familiar with these views. This is the XY plane and this is 3D view. And also you can make it prettier by using some command that I will gonna teach you in the next lessons. Okay, this is the first lesson. If you can open the app and open a project like here, that means you buy the project and you are ready to work with it. I have Ultimate SAP because it makes me money back, and I also using a company license and I don't buy it, and I prefer you not to buy Ultimate because the price is too high. Okay, have a good day and don't forget to like or subscribe. If you want to see all the course in the all, I upload a video once a day, and I think after a 100 video I teach you everything you need to work with SAP like an operator. The civil engineering knowledge, I'm not gonna teach you something about that, and you must know them from your company or your college and else. Okay, have a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to try to learn about the SAP in the next lesson.